जल्दी कर भैया, करा दो मुझे, और भी बहुत काम करना है।
Hello, good evening.
मम्मी अब मेरी रिकॉर्डिंग शुरू हो रही है।
So today let us cover all the pending topics from work and energy chapter. See, first of all, you should understand that what we have done till now is clear or not. We did a lot of heavy topics at your level. Right now, these topics are heavy. Just the time you enter in 7th class, or maybe even 1 month this chapter gets over, you do some questions, you digest stuff,
and I will revise after.
You digest stuff, it will be clear for you. So if it is clear, so just in chat, give the difference between distance and displacement in the chat, or you can even speak out the definition if you remember. Going to search in the notebook? You are there. What had happened here? I couldn't see that smiling angel that she used to be. Are you some ghost? Or you are that same person? Okay, type. Okay, I can see you typing. Hanji, are you typing? You are revising? What are you doing? I couldn't hear you.
Bhaiya, just typing.
Okay, perfect. You can even unmute and say no problem. If you face problem in typing, no issues. And eating anything, continue it after the class. After the class, relax, revise, chill, and have something. I know I'm disturbing you at the dinner time, but koi nahi, that should also be done. Just waiting for your answer in the chat box, and I've turned my camera off because I'm waiting for your answer.
Hello.
Hanji.
Bhaiya, I can tell the answer by speaking.
Yes, definitely, most definitely. But you were typing, you said.
Bhaiya, I can't type because I'm joining with the mobile.
हाँ तो बेटा WhatsApp पे भी तो करते हैं टाइप. Can't so you can, but okay, tell me on chat. Sorry. Tell me.
So
Speak up.
first I want to tell about the distance. the total of the path covered to reach a destination, that is a distance.
Okay,
That is
perfect.
correct.
Perfect,
And
perfect.
the destination is in the shortest distance between 2 points is called a displacement.
Okay, your answers are correct, but why can't I see that confidence? Okay, yes, I'm confident enough to say this is distance, this is displacement. Acha, what is the difference between the two? What is the difference between distance and displacement? No, don't type for the difference part. I want you to speak up. Definitions could be typed, but I want you to speak up this thing, the difference, confidently. Be confident enough. Okay, I think this is taking a lot of time. Please type or speak whatever you want to do fast, ASAP. Just turning off my camera, waiting for your response.